Hey, welcome back everybody again. And this time what I'm going to be showing you that we're going to work on in our video is this is a what we call a software-defined radio. And basically what this allows you to do is you can listen to AM, FM, and also it's set up where you can do, for those of us who have ham radio licenses, they come with different types of antennas, so you can use it to tune in better your frequencies that you're going to want to listen to. They got this little base mount antenna here that you thread this onto for longer, so they give you that. This is the actual software-defined module that basically you plug it into your computer, and there's software that you run, and you can adjust it and go along and pick what you want to hear. It's a USB, and I've been using these a while too. Here's your antenna, where you hook up your antennas to here, and you can tune in all kinds of different stuff, everything from AM, FM, what we call VHF, UHF, and HF in this particular case, because these will only do up to certain frequencies. But then they make this, which is called the ham up. And what the ham up does is it has components in it which allow it to adjust to the frequencies that you need, so that you can do HF. And you have the USB plug here, and then you have your antenna out here, you have your antenna in here, and then you have this, which is the up converter or bypass through. And what this allows you to do is to pick up a lot more frequencies in what we call the HF band. And it's a real great little project for those who are in ham radio. They can listen, see what's going on in different areas. It's easier to use this to narrow down what frequencies are being used a lot. And then you can turn around and use your regular ham radio rig and tune it to what this is seeing, and pretty much then go out there and do some talking to people. Yeah, so these are neat little toys. Anybody can use these because all it does is listen. You can't transmit on it. And they also give you a pack of extra cables and connectors here that you hook up to it, so that you can do different things with it. These allow you to connect to different wires, to different things, and then again, ultimately you get to the antennas, which are like that. Okay, you can also listen to airband. There's some programs where you can set up and you can actually watch the aircraft through the beaconing system that they carry, and tells you what's going on with all that. So this is another project that I just got, and what we're going to do with this eventually is we're going to put it together. We're going to hook up the software to it, and another video with it, and we're going to show you just how well this works and all the neat things you can do with it. So this will be another complete video once I'm done, but I'm just showing you the different projects that we're going to work on and put together, and hopefully we have some fun and people enjoy it. They're neat fun projects. Always get to do a lot with them, never get bored. Anyways, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video on it.